Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Friday, May the 23rd. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stocks took a sharp turn lower before the bell on Friday, poised for weekly losses as Wall Street assessed President Trump's latest tariff salvos and what his giant tax bill means for the deficit and the economy. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average sank 1.5%, or over 600 points. Those tied to the S&P 500 fell 1.6%. Contracts on the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 backed off 1.8%. Number 2. Trump said on Friday that Apple must pay a 25% tariff on iPhones sold but not made in the U.S. The tech giant has begun shifting some manufacturing to India, with China, home to its key suppliers, locked in a trade war with the U.S. Apple shares fell 3% after Trump's post to Truth Social. At the same time, Trump threatened to hike the tariff on EU imports to a straight 50% beginning June 1st as trade talks between the two have stalled. Number 3. Intuit shares are jumping nearly 9% in pre-market trading after the TurboTax and Credit Karma parent reported fiscal third-quarter results that topped analysts' expectations and raised its full-year outlook after the bell Thursday. The company said it now expects fiscal 2025 revenue between $18.72 billion and $18.76 billion, up from the prior forecast of $18.16 billion to $18.35 billion. The company also projected adjusted earnings per share of $20.07 to $20.12, up from $19.16 to $19.36. Number 4. The Harvard community is reeling after the U.S. revoked its ability to enroll international students. Lawrence Summers, the university's president emeritus and a former Treasury Secretary, called the Trump administration's move vicious and the stuff of tyranny. It's not just the potential financial pressure. Harvard has educated many who went on to become part of the political elite. Number 5. U.S. new home sales data for April is due to be released at 10 a.m. Eastern Time today, and analysts expect a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 695,000, down from 724,000 in March, according to a survey of economists by Dow Jones Newswires and the Wall Street Journal. The data comes a day after U.S. sales of existing homes for the month lagged estimates. Home sales in the U.S. have been sluggish amid high interest rates and challenging inventory. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.